Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I am involved in the paint job of my backyard after I finished putting stones, or you can say landscaping. The very first thing I did is to buy the paint. So I went to Home Depot and I selected this one. This is redwood and it's very common for painting wood, and I got wood paint. They have excellent experts who can really help you to make an excellent choice. And you can see most of the areas I have painted except this top one, and I'm doing so. Very first thing I did after that is that I washed with water, okay, and I let it dry. And after it got dried, I am using painting brush. This one I'm using for this small surface. For this one I had the thicker brush. Let me see if I can show you that. I think I can show you. Yes, you see this big brush, it's all the one full box of paint got over. I use that with it, and now what I'm doing. So very first thing, like, you should have proper coverage, like you should have gloves, leg cover and other things in order to avoid any paint spoil on you. And it's better to put some sunglasses or something on so that nothing gets into your eyes. That's very important. And then use tiny amount and then put. Let me show you something. I just pour it, okay, and then I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah. Of course, I'll be doing one more layer to fill the gaps and anything that I have left. So with just one pour, I can do 3 to 4 lines like this. Okay. Sometimes even more. Okay, so that's how you can do it yourself. The reason I'm doing it, because if I hire a painter to do this for my whole backyard, it's gonna be very expensive. So right now I just purchased paint, so it was like $63 for 1 gallon, and 2 gallons I have purchased, so $126 I have spent already. And now I'm doing everything on my own. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.